First of all, before shipment, we will check each rod end's left and right threads one by one to prevent any mistakes in delivery. During this inspection process, we will wear gloves throughout to prevent direct contact with the rod ends, because any water or sweat stains may cause the end of the pole to rust. This step is to combine the nut with the corresponding end of the rod. As long as it can be screwed on and the nut does not fall off, it is considered passed. Thank you for watching.